Rob Hanson, Director of IT with Merrithew Health Fitness. We're located in Toronto, Ontario. Our business partner is ASN Business Solutions, and we use the Edisoft EDI solution. Costco was one of our first customers that we moved over, and we were receiving at high points over 100 to 200 orders a day. This was all a manual process, so it took all day long for 3 sales reps to actually re-enter these orders into the system. But once the EDI solution was entered in, from that point we were able to process the orders a lot quicker because they were in our system, so operations could start packing and operations could start looking for shippers to ship those because our equipment goes out all LTL shipments. So once all that information was back in the system, then it was a matter of just sending those EDI documents back over to the retailer and then invoicing. So AR was happy as well because they were receiving their monies. They run reports in through EDI that gives them reports on what was shipped, from what POs, what day it was in, what day it was out. They have all these reports within the EDI merchant application, and they can pull out their own reports versus having to go to my IT department to run those reports for them. Avoiding compliance is a big thing for our retail clients. They have pretty tight timelines that they want us to receive, ship, and get the product to the customer. Prior to having EDI as a solution from Edisoft, we could have been 3-4 days, and we were hitting compliance fines constantly. It went from having a little small army to take care of one customer to now one sales rep can take care of multiple of our retail customers. I would say we're a moderate user of QuickPack. We're looking at broadening our scope of application use with Edisoft and looking at broadening the pick pack and then also the shipping software now as well. So we get a whole rounded solution in the end. That currently we're just using the Edisoft and ASN as just a base pick pack, but we want to broaden the horizon on that and get it so it's a full solution, and from entering in the order to the end of going out the door and what shipper is going out as. The ideal thing would be an end-to-end solution, and that's what my vision is and what the vision was when we first approached Edisoft and got them to put in our EDI solution. But at that point, we still had our hiccups and stuff in our own systems, but working with BAS and Edisoft, we've been working through, and we're at a point now that we're ready to broaden the horizons and take on more of the Edisoft products. Working with Edisoft has been great. We've not had any technical problems with their systems whatsoever. Support's been great. The vendors always are changing their EDI specs. If I can't figure it out, then I fire him an email, and by the end of the day, he comes back and says, yes, I know they changed their standard, or they're doing this way. I'll fix that for you right now, and gets into our system and fixes it up for us, and we'll continue on our day.